Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the host machine so the connection is reliable. Enable remote desktop in system settings and confirm the host account has remote sign-in privileges. This avoids permissions errors later. Install Roblox and sign into the account you'll use remotely, because once connected you'll want the game already configured. Make sure the host has a decent internet uplink, aim for 50+ Mbps, and note the host IP and user credentials. You will need them in the next step to initiate the session. Once done, open your remote desktop client on the client device and enter the host IP and login. Choose network-level authentication for security, then configure display to 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080, depending on bandwidth. Lower resolution reduces lag. Enable audio and clipboard if you need sound and file transfer. After connecting, sign into Roblox and set in-game graphics to low or medium so frame rate holds steady under remote input. Make sure to finish close background apps on the host to free CPU and GPU cycles. You want Roblox to be the priority. Monitor Task Manager for spikes, and if you see high usage, lower in-game settings or permanently stop heavy processes. If you encounter lag, reduce resolution, cap frames, or move both devices to wired Ethernet for lower latency. If the session fails, re-authenticate remote desktop, sign out and back into Roblox, or reboot the host. These steps resolve most connectivity and input recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.